Hello, and welcome to another episode of Dick Barr's Real Estate News You Can Use. My name is Dick Barr, managing broker with the Dick Barr Group at Village Realty in Lindenhurst, Illinois. In today's episode, I want to talk about how VA loans can help veterans achieve their dream of homeownership. For over 78 years, Veterans Affairs Home Loans have provided millions of veterans with the opportunity to purchase homes of their own. If you or a loved one have served, it's important to understand this program and its benefits. Here are some things you should know about VA loans before you start the home buying process. What are VA loans? VA home loans provide a pathway to home ownership for those who have served our nation. The U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs describes a program like this. VA helps service members, veterans, and eligible surviving spouses become homeowners. As part of our mission to serve you, we provide a home loan guarantee benefit and other housing-related programs to help you buy, build, repair, retain, or adapt a home for your own personal occupancy. The top benefits of the VA loan program are, in addition to helping eligible buyers achieve their homeownership dreams, VA loans have several other great benefits for buyers who qualify. According to the Department of Veterans Affairs, qualified borrowers can often purchase a home with no down payment. Many other loans with down payments under 20% require private mortgage insurance, or PMI, and VA loans do not require PMI, which means veterans can save on their monthly housing costs. VA-backed loans often offer competitive terms and mortgage interest rates. A recent article from Veterans United sums up just how impactful this loan option can be. For the vast majority of military borrowers, VA loans represent the most powerful lending program on the market. These flexible, zero-down payment mortgages have helped more than 24 million service members become homeowners since 1944. John Bell, the acting executive director of the Department of Veterans Affairs Loan Guarantee Service, also explains why this program is so powerful. It provides early ownership for many people that would not have had that opportunity to begin with. Since there's no down payment, it allows people to hold their wealth, and it gives them the ability to have long-term financial security by being able to own a house and let that equity grow. Here's the bottom line. Homeownership is the American dream. Our veterans sacrifice so much in service of our nation, and one way we can honor and thank them is to ensure they have the best information about the best benefits that the VA home loans provide. Thank you for your service, and have a great day.
Home. It's been our place of refuge since the beginning of time. A place for shelter, a place for comfort, a place for peace. In 2021, our homes now function in far more diverse ways than they ever have before, making our choice of home even that much more important. At the Dick Barr Group, we understand your home is far more than building materials and land. It is where you live, where you work, and where you learn. One thing that will never change, however, is the joy of being welcomed back home and welcoming people to our home. Welcome home, America.